In this video, I'm going to show you what our add-ons are and explain to you how they work. So basically, when you go to checkout, you're going to pick all of your binding styles that you prefer, that you want to purchase, and then the next step you see says paper stock and enhancements. So I'm going to go over the three main add-ons that we currently offer. The first one is premium paper. It says, do you want to upgrade to a thicker gloss paper? Though not water resistant, it's a thicker sheet with a gloss finishing. So it's not water resistant, like we said. You can't just wipe it clean. It's not laminated, but it is a lot thicker and shinier and just more, it's higher quality basically than the standard paper. We also will tell you that this paper cannot be really written on very easily with pen or pencil, so you may want to make sure you have a Sharpie available if you're going to be writing on those pages. Now the next one is the logo removal. It says by default the Create My Cookbook logo will appear on the publisher page and the title page. Select this option if you would like to remove the logo from these pages. Now if you click details right here, you can actually see where that logo appears on those pages. So right here on the title, you'll see Create My Cookbook's logo at the bottom. And on the very, very, very last page, you can also see the Create My Cookbook logo at the very bottom. That's the only two places that this should appear in your book. If you're seeing it on other pages, it may be that you're actually using a title page instead of a section divider page, which can be problematic because it also means that those section dividers aren't showing up in your table of contents. So if that's the case, email support@createmycookbook.com and we'll help you get that taken care of. The logo removal is a 25% surcharge, so it's basically just going to take 25% of your cost of one book and add it to that book. So the overall cost is really just determined by the base cost of your cookbook. The last add-on we have is the E-Cookbook. Now, this is different than the standalone E-Cookbook. This is an E-Cookbook add-on, and this means that every time someone purchases, even if it's you, if you share the link with friends, when you purchase this physical printed copy of your book, you'll also, in your email, receive an access code for the E-Cookbook. So that means you don't have to purchase the standalone E-Cookbook for $9.94. You're actually just going to grab that access code for only $2.95. So you're getting a really discounted rate for just having access, and you can have access no matter where you are. Say you go to the grocery store and you're like, oh, I really want to make that recipe, but I can't remember what the ingredients are. You just whip your phone out and right there is access to your cookbook that you left on your counter at home. So it's really, really awesome, and it's just like a fun, super cheap option to have that right there at your fingertips. So those are the three different add-ons we currently offer. If you have any more questions or concerns about any of these add-ons, please just email support@createmycookbook.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks!